It starts in the middle of the night. You're sound asleep and suddenly you hear it. A weird, honking, gasping noise coming from your dog's bed. Your heart stops. Is he choking? Is he having an asthma attack? Or is he just doing something weird? We've all been there, staring at our pups in the dark, wondering if we need to rush to the emergency vet or if it's just a funny quirk. Well, today, we're decoding the mystery behind your dog's weird breathing. Some of these noises are totally harmless, but others? They could be a red flag you cannot afford to ignore. Let's get into it. First up, the sound that scares every new dog owner, the reverse sneeze. It sounds like a goose honking or a violent inward gasping. Unlike a normal sneeze that pushes air out, a reverse sneeze pulls air in rapidly. Why does it happen? Usually it's just an irritation in the back of the throat, maybe a piece of grass, dust, or even excitement. It looks terrifying, but here's the trick. Gently massage your dog's throat or cover one nostril for a second to encourage them to swallow. It usually stops in seconds, but if it happens constantly, we need to look at allergies. Next, let's talk about the brachycephalic factor. If you have a pug, a bulldog, or a Frenchie, you know the sound, the heavy, labored breathing even when they're resting. Because of their shortened airways, these breeds are literally fighting for air every single day. If your dog is struggling to breathe while just sitting on the couch, or if their tongue looks slightly blue, that is a medical emergency. Don't wait. That's a sign that their airways are obstructed and they need professional help. Now, pay attention to this one. A wet, hacking cough, almost like they're trying to clear their throat or vomit, can be more than just a hairball. If it persists, it could be a sign of kennel cough, or in older dogs, a precursor to heart issues. When the heart struggles to pump, fluid can build up in the lungs, leading to a persistent, dry to wet hacking sound, especially at night. If your dog is older and suddenly starts coughing while lying down, that is your cue to see a vet for a quick heart scan. Finally, consider the environment. Is your dog making these sounds only after exercise? If your normally energetic pup is gasping for air after a short walk, it's time to talk to your vet about their lung capacity and overall fitness. Look, we love our pets like family. Their weird noises are just part of their personality, until they aren't. Trust your gut. If the noise is new, if it's loud, or if it's accompanied by a change in their energy levels, take a video with your phone and show it to your vet. It's the fastest way to get a diagnosis. Have you ever heard your dog make a sound that scared you? Drop a comment below. Let's share our experiences and keep our pups safe. Don't forget to subscribe for more pet health tips that could save your dog's life.